YouTube, it's me, I'm him, Mr. 15K himself. Look, like I always tell y'all, you never know what to expect from this channel, so go ahead and subscribe so you don't be missing these videos when they drop, you feel me? You gotta feel me, you feel me? So from the thumbnail, you can already tell we back with another Cuban link. A Cuban link review once again. At this point, I think I'm addicted. There's no other way to put it. I'm addicted, you feel me? I'm addicted, you feel me? Crazy thing is, in the past, I played the ropes. Rose gold rope, yellow rope, whatever rope you could think of. But at this point, I feel like I'll never wear a rope again, you feel me? So the thing is, I feel like I had to complete the set with this, you feel me? If you don't know what I'm getting at, you're gonna catch on in due time, you feel me? So, as you know, Cuban link necklace came from Las Vegas Jerry. I ain't gonna talk too much about it because I did a video on it. And if you missed it, just go catch up. You feel me? Get caught up with, you feel me? That part. Rose gold bracelet, solid, you feel me? Came from Amari Jewelry. That boy still look amazing, you feel me? So this the set. But in most of y'all mind, y'all feel like this is the complete set. But me being me, I had to be extra and get a little extra, you feel me? Just a little bit, you feel me? So my whole thing is, when you think of what I'm about to show you, only maybe two people come to mind, you feel me? You got Fab and you got Lil Uzi. And I don't know if it's because they take a different type, you feel me, or to pull this off, or people be in their thoughts too much. But me being me, I had to press the line with it, you feel me? I had to add it to the kit. It's only right, you feel me? So the thing is, just like with nose rings, at a point, Tupac was the only person that had one, you feel me? People, you know what I'm saying? Nah, it's the norm, you feel me? So hopefully, based off this review or how y'all see me play it, y'all might want to go tap in and get right also, you feel me? So if you ain't caught on to what I'm getting at, Chet, I'm talking about an anklet, you feel me? Yeah, an anklet, you feel me? An anklet, you feel me? Once again, in my mind, I feel like it's like a flex to just put a couple G's on an ankle, just, you know what I'm saying? Just to compliment the kit. But that's just how I'm feeling, you feel me? To somebody else, y'all might not view it that way. But I ain't gonna talk too much, let's get into it, because I ain't seen it yet, so we're gonna open this package together, you feel me? So as you know, or if you don't know, I'm sharing this moment with you just in case you're not in a position to be able to get your hands on one, you feel me? So I want you to be able to be in a moment with me, so it's like you experience it yourself as well, you feel me? So it's gonna come in a priority box like this. Priority box, you feel me? Let's open the boy up, let's see what it's looking like. So I put an order in for 10 inches, ballpark of 14 millimeters, you feel me? And I went with Amari Jewelry, again, you feel me? I feel like the pros outweighed the cons when it came to them, so I said, why not, you feel me? And plus I decided to not constantly keep switching jewelers, because if you notice in this case, my necklace is a little bit, you know what I'm saying? A shade or two lighter than my bracelet. So I'm like, at this point, I gotta just stick with what I know, you feel me? So I went with Amari Jewelry because I just feel like, why not, you feel me? So I put an order in for 10 inches, solid rose gold, 160 grams, just to complement the kit, you feel me? So let's see how this boy came in, let's see it. Feel me, is it gonna come in a box like this? I feel like packaging this time was a little poor, I can't lie, you feel me? Like, they could have did better, you feel me? They could have. Let's check this boy out. That boy passed the hang straight test once again, you feel me? Finish on this boy, lovely. Finish on that boy, too lovely. Gotta be the same exact shade as the bracelet. We're going through the same people, you feel me? This boy look phenomenal, you feel me? I guess at this point, only thing left to do is weigh it up. It passed the hang straight test. Let's weigh it up, and then I'll show y'all how it look on my ankle as well. Let's get to my videos. Once again, I'm gonna teach y'all a trick. A nickel should always weigh 5 grams to clear out the scale. You feel me? Because you don't want to just put something on there thinking that it's accurate and it's not. So this is a way for you to find out that it's accurate or not. 5 grams. Scoot this boy a little closer for y'all. So we got my necklace, anklet, bracelet. When I put the order in, I told them 160 grams when I had put the order in at 10 inches. So let's see what it ended up weighing in at. So 166. And let's see what it came in at millimeter wise. I'm getting 16.2. If y'all can see, because they always say that it take at least 2 millimeters to see a difference. So my necklace is like 14.6. Bracelet, I want to say 15.2 or something like that. And then this boy is 16 millimeters. So if you look at them, you really don't see like too much of a difference besides the color. Feel me? Only thing left for me to do is to show y'all how I look on the ankle. Hopefully y'all get motivated and snatch y'all one as well. So let's go. Once again, like I always say, if you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, you feel me? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Once again, my opinion, I'm choosing Amari Jewelry over Daniel. I'm choosing Amari Jewelry over Los Villas. I'm choosing I'm choosing Amari Jewelry over the others, period. You feel me? However you want to play it, you feel me? But finish on this boy lovely. Match that bracelet perfect, you feel me? That hang straight test, if it's important to you, it's for sure passing, you feel me? You feel me? Solid rose gold, Miami Cuban. Like I always say, how you gonna get a Cuban made if it ain't made by the Cubans? You feel me? So if you is in the market or looking to get a Cuban made, anklet made, whatever the case may be, bracelet made, you feel me? Make sure you go ahead and tap in with them jewelers out of Miami, because how you gonna get a Cuban made if it ain't made by the Cubans? Feel me? And until next time.